For each pair of points below, plot the points on a grid, draw the line, find the slope, find the y-coordinate of the point where the line intersects the y-axis, and we're going to call this B. Okay, so for the first one, we plot a point at 0, 3. We plot a point at 2 and 7. That was our first step. Next, we're going to draw the line. Should really be using a straight edge, but good enough. To find the slope, we're going to remember that slope is always rise over run. So in this case, we could really just count boxes. 4 boxes up and 2 boxes across. 4 over 2 could also just be equal to 2, or 2 over 1. Find the y-coordinate of the point where we intersect the y-axis. So this point right here, 0, 3, that is on the y-axis. The y-coordinate is just plain 3. We're going to call this value B, by the way, the y-intercept. It's where you cross the y-axis. And you might notice something about the form of the equation. Okay, so let's do that. Again, 0, 2, 2 and 5. Okay, we connect it and have a line. Our slope, our rise over run, in this case is 3 up and 2 over, or 3 over 2, rise over run. And our B, where we cross the y-axis, the y-coordinate is 2. Once again, you see something about the form of the equation, showing that 3 over 2 and the 2. So for number 3, we don't even necessarily need to follow these steps in order to be able to fill out M and B. You should be able to tell from all the other forms that this seems to be M in every case and this seems to be B, and you might already know the form of a linear function to be y equals mx plus b. But if we did go through with this and plot the point at 0, negative 2 and at 3, 0, we could connect the line. We could find slope using rise over run, 2 up and 3 across, which of course is the same thing that we would have gotten just pulling it out of the equation. And of course the y-coordinate of the point where you cross the y-axis, or our y-intercept, is negative 2, right over here, just like we could have pulled out of the equation.